untold year, and one of the festival is coming for the Islam. You know Ramadan. Do you know Ramadan?
Ramadan, yeah.
That they slaughter the animal.
So, hi y'all, and a warm welcome back to Jet Lag and Coffee. In fact, I did have a coffee at Third Wave Cafe, where I met with my lovely guide Kavita. I'm still pretty jet lagged, and with all the noise going on, I have a hard time understanding the local slang, as you can hear.
So you also ride a scooter?
I don't know. I'm still learning that.
You're still learning?
So from a European standpoint, this might not be the most inviting environment I'm at the moment. But from a photographer's standpoint, it's like pure paradise. There's so many things you can capture and take pictures of. But first of all, I have to apologize to all of you because I never tested out my Insta360 Ace Pro Action Cam, as I just received it 2 days before heading to India. So I basically just strapped it on my neck holder and ran off to the airport to get to India. So what happened is that I was not aware what were the best viewing angles. And as my days were fully planned out, I didn't take my time to review the material that I recorded. So bear with me, the first few episodes of Jet Lag and Coffee might be not as professional as I would like them to be. I realized that having a neck holder, in order to capture everything, you really have to turn your whole upper body. But in normal life, we just turn our heads or look with the eyes. So that was one of the things I was struggling with. But stay tuned, as I really managed to capture great footage after all. So coming back to the footage you see right now, this is one of the streets in Dharavi Slum that is really dedicated just to taking apart automobiles and old cars. And Kavita is basically explaining all what the workers are doing, about their employment. But what I realized, without her having a dedicated external mic, it was just not possible to record her audio. But she was really getting in depth on how the whole process works and how they disassemble all the plastic parts that were about to be recycled in the slum.
All this recycled plastic, and people actually connected to the scrap dealers. So there are many people, maybe you have seen some of the people were living on the streets. They are connected.
But it's good, it's a lot of work. People have lots of work.
Lots of the work they used to do. So here these people actually they are making the backpack for the Indian brand, that's a
Skyline, right?
It's the Indian brand. So these people actually they are getting a monthly salary.
So, and they're sending lots back to the village.
Village as well. So they are getting a monthly salary, and even in this monthly salary, actually, if the people who are working inside Dharavi, inside this toxic area, so the starting salary for them will be from 15,000, which is the 150 euro.
Yeah, 150 euros.
Yeah, 150 euros, and it can be increased. Let it go. New workers. So it can be.
New workers.
Yeah, it can be increased if they want to increase their salary. It will be increased up to 200 euros.
200 euros.
Like 2,000. 20,000 euros. He's not here for the milk.
It's for the milk?
No, not for the milk. It's for the meat.
For the meat? Oh.
Even in the Ramadan, they will sacrifice it.
Oh, okay.
Chalo, bye. So as I told you back there, they were making the like the different garments. And here, this is the one of the shop who are making the garment. It's a T-shirt for a
Yeah.
small kid. T-shirt, eh? So it's not like that the people who are working here they can stay up. The people who are working here, they will clean this place and
In the evening?
yeah, in the night, and they will sleep here. And in the top here were more many businesses. So these people actually who are working here, they will work here in 1 week 6 days, and in 1 day 12 hours. And in 1 day, like in the one day they are getting off, which is on Sunday.
Yes.
And actually, these people they are the migrated, so the families are living back there in the village.
So they,
And
they,
whenever
they
we
work.
are, yeah, so whenever we are getting the holidays, we go with our families
Yes.
and the friends to chill out. So the families are living back there in village, and the friends they are where they are working.
Yeah.
The friends here, so they don't go anywhere, and
So they work.
they don't have anything to do. So half day they will take rest,
Okay.
and half day they will work here. So whatever hard day they are working here, they will get the extra payment for that.
Okay.
And these people actually who are living inside these shops, they don't have to pay any of the rent. They don't have to pay any of the electricity bill.
Just the food.
Just the food which they have to pay. So here actually these are the food shops, and in every area we have 1 or 3 food shops, because there are the million people which the one food shop can't make for them.
Yeah.
So there are the many certain different food shops are there. And these people they are making the food for them. So in 50 rupees they will get the vegetable curry,
Okay.
plantain dal, rice, and 4 roti. You know Indian breads?
Yes.
4 roti they will get. And on Friday and Sunday they are getting non-veg. Can you guess what is this?
Cupboards for a home? I don't know. Maybe for deceased people that you have a light for them on the graveyard? I don't know.
It's a temple.
It's a temple.
It's a temple. But in the slum we have a very small house. Only one room will be there, and all the families are living together there. So we don't have a separate room for the temple. So we have like this small temple which we can hang on the wall,
Yeah.
and we can worship for the lords. So like this they are making this.
Okay, what you're putting inside?
Inside we are putting the
statue of
or a
Shiva-
statue
Shiva.
of Lord Shiva, Ganesha. And here they are making the luggage bag. So the
Yeah,
frame
okay.
which we have seen back there,
Yeah.
all the frames, that is the only one shop in whole area who's making the frame.
Oh, okay.
And that person, he will send the frame to the certain different shops here who is making the luggage bag. So that side we have seen they were making the backpacks, and here they are making the luggage bag.
So it's a good business.
It's a good business.
Can I ask this guy if I can take a picture of him?
Yeah, photo.
Take a picture? Really cool. No? Another one? Okay. This?
Yes.
Better?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
So, as you've seen here, this is one of the greatest misconceptions I had when I came to India. The bobbing heads not necessarily mean he didn't like the photo. It can mean anything. Nobody was able to tell me if it was meaning no, yes, maybe. It doesn't mean anything. They just bob their heads.
You're gonna have a business for you?
For makeup.
Makeup,
Yes,
but not here.
not here. It will be my online business.
Online business?
Online book.
Okay.
So whenever I will get the booking, I will go for their houses,
Yeah.
for their hotels and everything, and I can do the makeup for them.
But then you need a scooter.
Well, we have a local train.
Oh, okay.
I prefer local train. Even here they are making the luggage bag for another company. Oh no, this is the local company.
Hold on, yeah.
You can check the quality and how much it's heavy. Handle नहीं है? Okay, they have to put the handles on.
So if I would buy one from them, could I buy one?
You
They
can't
don't.
buy.
Cannot buy it.
No,
Not
because-
just one.
No, because they are getting that much thing, the bags how much they want. They can't sell for everyone.
Okay.
Even the company people are very smart.
Yeah.
Despite all of these circumstances, just take a look at these kids. They're having fun, they're enjoying life, and they're just being kids, and it's amazing to see. It just warms my heart seeing that they're having fun and they're enjoying life. So, the good thing to see, they weren't even in the slightest bit hostile when I took out the camera to take a picture. Everybody was happy, everybody had lots of smiles on their faces and wanted to see the pictures afterwards.
That's interesting. What's this, Kavita?
It's for the clothes, which I will show you.
Ah, okay.
From. I'll tell you the whole process which they are doing.
Ah, okay.
Walking through these alleyways, it almost seems like everybody's doing the same thing, but it's not. As a matter of fact, in all of these alleyways, they are working on a totally different process, it seems. Like here, they're breaking down the plastics and dyeing clothes.
So here actually they are dyeing the clothes.
Ah, okay.
So at that place which you are asking what is that?
Yes.
So these people, whatever they dye the clothes, they drive for that places because they don't have a place here to dye the clothes.
Okay.
So here you can see actually they are getting the big fabric which is in the white color and they are getting the one small sample which they need to match it and they have to color it according to that sample.
Okay.
This is the one of the very toxic work which they are doing here because the chemicals which they are using, you can see, there are certain different chemicals. So the chemicals are very toxic.
Yeah.
So they will heat the water, they will put chemical and the color, they will put all the fluids inside that and they will work with that water.
Are they paid better than other people?
Usually all the people they have a same
Same.
Just imagine they're dyeing the clothes without any form of protection, gloves, or anything else.
And here,
So
till
they-
now you have seen the people who are working here, they don't have any of the
protection.
protection.
No gloves.
No gloves, no mask, nothing.
Do they know it's toxic?
They know it's toxic.
Oh, okay.
And even these people actually whatever the chemical they are using, if they are putting their hands and after washing a hand also the chemical still there, it's there.
Yeah.
So whatever they eat, it's going inside the mouth.
Okay.
You know, seeing this changes your complete mindset. When you go out in a boutique buying clothes and you know what you pay for them, what these people get, and how they produce it, it's not only insane, it's a shame.
See, all these are the plastics are washed here in this ground.
Yeah.
So usually the people they are working by their hand. We don't have a big machine. Because of the big machine we need a big factory.
Yeah.
And for the big factory we need a big space, which we don't have.
Of course.
That's the reason people are working here in the small area and with their hand. See here. Full of luggage bag. Design दे रहे हो कपड़े को? They are giving a design on the clothes.
No.
Like-
It's like printing.
It's like print. ये दिखा दो.
So, this is almost the end of the production line of the fabrics. Right here, they're putting on prints on t-shirts and whatever clothes require a print.
Nice.
Thank you.
Namaste.
When you want to say thank you, you have to say dhanyavad.
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 That's a thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Namaste means hello.
Oh, okay.
These barbers go for the certain different areas.
So, getting out of the back alleyways of the Dharavi Slum, I encountered a barber cutting hair next to the really polluted canal.
So here this is the sewage and you can see all the dirt inside the sewage. So it will get clean
smells.
in the front yard. There's a front yard. They will remove all the plastics and everything.
They will clean this out?
Back side. In the last.
Oh, okay.
So y'all, this was my first day ever in India, and it was something else, I can tell you. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you on my next episode of Jet Lag and Coffee.